For us, this is a done deal. There's no question of asking or even thinking of asking for resignation of Professor Barik. It is a done deal. We can only move ahead, and that's where I think it is important that we want Professor Barik to start discharging his duties in a very effective manner with the support of all stakeholders. And I do assume that with this clarification, even HYC will realize that why the second senior most was given. It is not that they want to discriminate anyone. It's just that, in their opinion, I think he has shown total lack of interest in rescuing the university during crisis time. And I think being the administrative head of the university, I think managing the crisis is one of the biggest criteria. And here probably he missed out, and that's how Professor Barik stand out. And we are really thankful to him that during a crisis time, when we know that we are fighting Shukla, he was still there in the office, although not in the campus. He stood out and he agreed simply because the stakeholders, Nehusu, Nehuta, Nehunsa, Mehta, Kesu, Nehuyudit was with him. He said, as long as you guys are with me, I don't care what they will do to me. But this is because I also believe that the statute is very clear. There cannot be any single day that the university will be without a head. I think to that extent, I think it's important. But then moving ahead, I think we are all geared up. I believe that he will take swift action. We have a lot of things pending, particularly the promotion of non-teaching staff and teaching staff and so on. I do believe that it will be done in a very time-bound manner so that we move ahead to normalcy, and then we gradually try to take Nehu to the heights where it was there, and much beyond that, because Shukla has done tremendous damage in this university for last 3 years or so, I would say. I think we may not be able to undo everything, but with Professor Barik in the chair and with the support of all stakeholders, I would believe that he will discharge his duty, and all long pending issues that we have in the university that concerns non-teaching staff, teaching staff and student, and the state of Meghalaya as a whole, I think he should be able to address all this in a time-bound manner. And I would request HYC and everybody else who are concerned with the welfare of Nehu and the state of Meghalaya, that please give your support, let him work, because his appointment is not questionable whatsoever, they were thinking, because I have already highlighted the reason. It is as per statute, it is as per the established facts that we have, that how the senior most actually was not interested when the stakeholders requested, and how Professor Barik was interested when the stakeholder asked him.
Nakaliang jungi yakane ngi sngau si ban ong mo baki wan klem ka jingtip jongki statutory body ki badan hapo kanihu. Hait namar ba lala ki konsol hi bat ngi ki badan hapo ngi kamtip ba ngi rungi tip ba ya ka statute ya ka ex bat ordinance jong ka nehu hi bat ngi nom balai ngi persa balai ngi ong e namar ba ngi la de approach alsin ya professor kongsdel. Then nakaliang jungi ro ila reject ka to pot bat hakane ka kentik ba menta bagi ayo professor SK Barik imdan ni eben ong marni kwa hi bagi university tin yad be om bagan silong thali kai tel se na ka jingmot jongi namar bangi la dep kendu arsin ba iklam tre te jingmot hi ba intre ben sim kai kata ga jingmot na kalian jing te ni long ha ka jing singau jongi menta ban ong bani kerpar ro gino ki bawan nabar kai ban tuklar ke kam kidi ban sutu chwa ka ek ba ja hapo bat kano bagi kwa ban le kam de kai ban kata ki khna ki badan hapo la ne kinong tre ki badan hapo ga university kedai ban wan ra ek jing bha kai kino intention ki kwa ban le tangkata hai Hot kataro kodai kawai ke jingkali na kalian ngajungi but isutu hagi tu kupor arsnam katu ki jing janjar ni kendo but kadon nong rim hiru balai ni le ke tu protest andre hagi tu kupor nim yo i wat sklimat akan kono kupor ki biwan krishan na kalian jingki para ni kupor ba kila yo i bagi university jingi kadon haga long haga jing jajai jing thanda but kamdon kono hriura ki kwa pat bang wan le kum to long nim sngeu ya habat nim nom krishan hiru kan ke tu ke jing le ada gile no baba kede hi ban wanra jing bha kan university om ban pen klumar sai sin pat ken ha bang la yo pat jing bha